Welcome to Simon Tools. This is friend's work cars. He worked on the air conditioning rear place, but very heavy cars. And he bring me here for report, service the brakes. But I drive in here, I don't hear any noise of the brakes. But for basically, when we do some checking on the cars, we have to see the dashboard light is on, the engine light on. So we will turn off the air conditioning. Air conditioning work good, and the driving still alright. I don't know what happened yet, but I have to scan. Basic, like when you see the engine light on, we have to checking on the scan. You can buy any cheap scan, whatever it is. It's made. I can smell a bit of oil coming out too, but we will find out later where that oil from. Smell like burn. Mostly this car, the 2.7 petrol, mostly leaking from the oil filter because the seal is cracked. Mostly, or the rocker cover, because the exhaust near the oil filter and crack very easy. I can smell burn very badly. Now I try to put on the scanner, okay, and we want to see why that red engine light on. You all to be scanning, standard scan, okay. Okay, we're gonna read and what they say. Wait, they got one fail code, you see, code failed, and you diagnosed it and you want to read. It will say sensor circuits high voltage bank. Sensor circuits, that must be something in the throttle body, or AMF sensor, but it doesn't make any trouble, so don't worry about it. Okay, we come back out and we erase, and it should be all right. But for time being, it should be go and check maybe the air throttle leaking or the air sensor leaking. Okay, we back out and we can turn up and then pull the LBD out. It's here. Pull it out. Put away. Okay, it must be the bank sensor. It's not a big deal. So we start up. It will disappear. You see? Okay, first thing we know exactly not important inside the oxygen sensor bank or the throttle body. So not a big deal, okay? We don't care about that one. Now we diagnostic what's wrong and what he complained about the noise. So so many people and so many boys at my cousin workshop, they give me the information. Okay, we have to drive. If we don't drive, we don't know exactly what happened to this car, okay? We will see. He said sometimes he reversed, he hear the front wheel noise. What noise? We don't know. But we have to drive and see what happened. Okay, we go and reverse out. Oh man, the clutch is steep. The clutch very steep. Very hard. I'm too old, man. Too old for driving manual. Just get automatic. Not a Honda turbo. In clutch, rubbish. On the car, always have a heavy load. Okay, always on heavy load. Oh man, too heavy. Roll out all right. You don't hear any brakes squealing. Maybe I'm driving very steady. You hear that? Can you tell me what that noise? That's the front wheel bearings or the rear axle diff. Mostly rear axle diff on the van is very noisy. But at the back of the van, we got this cover. So the noise couldn't bring up here. So the strong noise must be from the front wheel bearings. But on the van, you have to reserve the noise on the back of the rear diff axle, always make noise. We don't want to go too fast because the noise of the bearings, we may damage more, and I may go to the hospital. I can't go back home. Okay, don't drive too fast. It's dangerous for you when the bearings sit up and the wheel may come up, and you may go to the hospital. Not me. Okay, I'm not driving. Yeah, the noise very badly. And then check it up and see what's wrong. Okay. The brake pad still full, but the noise is there. So I say, I can see the brake pad really full in here. That noise, we have to get the front wheel bearings. And we go on this side. What we do is inspection the oil leak somewhere. I can smell burn oil car. One there, put it there, and a lever. Yellow lever here. Pull. Pop up. Oh shit, man! A lot of boxes and condoms. A lot of condoms in this car, man. I can smell oil somewhere. Okay, we have to. So take this one, mine. Don't let it here. I got to say it's burn oil directly, mostly from the exhaust and the oil filter. This part here, you can see the oil dripping out, and where they come out. Okay, where the oil coming out. Shit. Okay, we can see from the main roller rocker right on all the way there. See, this is new oil filter, all right, but in there is the key. It's a wet oil from the one of the house there. We have to see, yeah, from the rocker cover there. Okay, to do that is not easy at all. Yeah, we check the oil, see the exhaust near the oil filter here. So new oil filter is good. And what I do is, be honest, I don't like the smell of oil. So, shit. Okay, we carefully, and yeah, we have to do rocker cover for him. Okay, do rocker cover and front wheel bearings. So that's my inspection for this car, and we will give the answer. Okay, so this car, what we need: 2 front wheel bearings, no pad, and rocker cover oil leaking from the top of the rocker cover. And yeah, that's how we notified, and we're gonna do that for him, and then we'll be right. Okay, thanks for watching short video how to diagnostic and find out the problem of the car. Make sure the car safety driving. See you guys.